G'day, I'm just going to show you iTerm2. This is a very good replacement for macOS X Terminal. It gives some serious features that even the person who might only use it every now and again will definitely enjoy. So we just go to iTerm2.com, download it, comes in zip file, we open it up, drag it into your applications folder, and then we can load it up. Yes, I wish to open it. It has some cool developer tools it's going to install. Okay, we won't worry about that for a moment. Okay, so the key things that I primarily use it for is... so this is what I do not allow. I do not want notifications. I do not want any notifications when I'm screen recording or doing anything like that. So definitely do not do that. Okay, so the main things I like about it is, if anything, it's the simple things. Probably the tool belt is probably as weird as it is, having just some snippets and some information on the side here. To be honest, probably just the notes is the biggest thing. So generally, if I'm using iTerm regularly, I might be uploading the website, doing some git commands. Sure, I can put aliases in the file and do that, but sometimes I kind of just like to know what's going on, and maybe I'm just lazy, instead of adding as an alias. And so I'll put a bunch of SSH commands here, or git commands that I'm doing, and when I'm ready to go to that stop, I'll just double click on it to highlight it, copy, and then paste it in. And so, to be honest, just having that there is probably one of the biggest reasons I use iTerm from that. But apart from that, we've got profiles, so if there is particular coloring you need to change, or some other, maybe you're going through different shells, you can set up some different profiles and quickly switch to them. If you use things like tmux and so forth, it does have a client version of that. So instead of running tmux within an SSH session, you can directly run it through the shell command itself, which is really cool, and then run the commands as if they're actual windows within your macOS X, rather than through SSH and then having to use all the hotkeys and commands through that, which is very, very nice. And yeah, it's just a really nice, professional, and completely free upgrade to macOS X Terminal. So highly recommended, even if it's just for the notes on the side, so you can copy and paste and do the regular things in there. Because I think most people, for doing these things, they're only running the odd command now and again. Maybe they're doing a brew update, maybe they're running just simple SSH stuff. And just, it's just a nice sort of improvement over the default terminal that comes with it. Anyway, that's my recommendation, and showing how to quickly install it and run it on macOS X.